Good morning, students. This lesson is of class 3 for the subject of Social Studies. Topic Means of Transport is covered in chapter 3 from here to there, starting on page number 19 of your textbook titled Excursion 3 and is being submitted to you on 3rd May 2021. Dear students, this week we will be discussing the topics means of transport. So, all the students may please keep their social studies book and notebook ready as we are going to start with our today's topic. First of all, we will discuss the topic means of transport. We use vehicles like buses, cars and auto rickshaws to travel. These vehicles are called means of transport. Early humans traveled on foot. They used animals or sledges to carry heavy loads from one place to another, or they carried them by themselves. So, it was very difficult to travel in those days. Then the wheel was invented. Wheels made traveling easy and comfortable. Now we will learn different means of transport. There are 3 different modes of transport. They are number 1, land transport, number 2, air transport, number 3, water transport. Let us discuss about the land transport first. Earlier, people used wooden carts drawn by horses to carry people and goods. Bullocks and camels were also used to travel from one place to another. With the invention of rickshaws, cycles, steam engines and automobiles, travel became faster and more comfortable. There are 2 main forms of land transport now, by rail and road. Road transport. These vehicles run on roads, for example bus, car, bicycle and trucks, etc. They have engines that run on fuels. Bullock carts are pulled by animals and cycle rickshaws are pedaled by people like bicycles. This is commonly used for transporting people and goods from one place to another. We see more of cars, two-wheelers and buses in big cities. Next is rail transport. For shorter distances, we go by road, but for longer distances, we use railways. Trains run on railway tracks. Trains can carry many people and goods over a long distance at a time. Some cities have metros and trams that help them to move from one place to another. Land transport is the cheapest means of transport. Now we will discuss about the air transport. When we need to travel very long distances, like from one country to another, we travel by air. Aeroplanes and helicopters are means of air transport. It is the fastest means of transport. We travel by helicopters to places where there are no airports. Humans have also invented space shuttles in which humans can travel to space to gather information. Air transport is the fastest and costliest means of transport. So now children, as we have read a small part of this chapter, so we will recount the topic by means of a short test. I will read out the questions and you may pause the lesson for 3 minutes and try to write the answers in your social studies notebooks. Question number 1 is match the following. In this question, you have to match the vehicles with the mode of transport given, like helicopter, truck, then tractor, then train, aeroplane and motorbike. You have to match them with their mode of transport. For example, helicopter is the example of air transport and aeroplane is also the example of air transport, and rest truck, tractor, two-wheeler and train are the examples of land transport. So with this I conclude today's interactive session. Thank you.